Good evening, everyone. Welcome to English language class. So, today we will do chapter active and passive voice, a very important chapter in your English language book. So, first of all, we will go through rule 1. In rule 1, we change the sentence from active to passive. In active, we have the structure of a sentence in this form: subject, verb, and object. But in passive voice, we change the structure of a sentence from subject to object. So, object will come at the first place, then verb, and subject will come at the end. So, in passive voice, object will come first, then verb, and then subject. Let me give you first example. She washes the clothes. It is in active form. She is a subject, wash verb, clothes, object. So when I'm going to change into in passive form, so I will take first object as a subject. The clothes are washed, third form of verb, by, and she change into her. Rule number 2, we use third form of verb plus by in passive form. He writes a letter, it's an active form. So when I'm going to change into passive form, I will change first. I will take a letter is written, third form of verb, by, he change into him. So in passive voice we always use third form of verb plus by before object, because before him I have used third form plus by. Now come to the rule number 3. He change into him, she changes into her. So when we change sentence from active to passive voice, we use these subject, and these subject will get changed into these. He changes into him, she changes into her, it changes into it, they changes into them, I changes into me, we changes into us, and you changes into you. So it means it and you remains as it is. Now I will give you examples of every tense. First I have taken the example of simple present, that is first form of verb. They do their work. A stands for active, P stands for passive. So first of all I will take the object, their work. When there is a first form of verb, means if there is a simple present, then we use is, am, are. Do, third form, done by them. Now come to the simple past tense. Simple past tense, when there is second form of verb. So this is second form, did. So second form will be changed into was, were, plus third form. Their work was done by them. Now come to the third sentence. I have taken the example of present continuous, that is MR. When there is already MR in the sentence. So in passive form we always use MR plus being. If MR is already in the sentence, then in passive form MR plus being is being used. Their work is being, third form of verb, done by them. Now come to the next sentence. Past continuous, that is was verb. If there is already was verb given in the sentence, then we use was verb plus being in passive voice. See, they were doing their work, so their work was being done by them. Now I have taken present perfect. They have done their work. Their work has been done by them. So if has have given in the sentence, then we also use has have in passive voice plus been. Their work has been done by them. Now come to the sixth sentence. I have taken the example of past perfect. They had done their work. Their work had plus been. Same. We use been with present perfect and past perfect. Now, seventh sentence. I have taken simple future. Their work. They will do their work. Their work will plus be done by them. So have you seen that I have been using different rules with different sentences. So it means if there is a future tense, then you have to use shall be or will be. Come to the eighth sentence. Now this is the example of future perfect. Future perfect. They will have done their work. Their work will have been done by them. See, will have plus been. Now come to the modals. So we have done with all the tenses. I have given example of all the tenses to you. But there are modals also: can, could, may, might, shall, should, will, would. So how we change these sentences? Say they can do their work can be done by them, then they should do their work should be done by them. So whenever there is modal in the sentence, then you have to use modal plus be. As I have used can plus be, and in 10 sentence I have used should plus be. So this is the basic things that I have told you in this video. You need to go through all the rules. You need to keep all the points in your mind when you are changing sentences from active to passive voice. There are some other rules also that we will discuss in class. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.